Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's tanker train. Let's check it out, heading south. Heading towards track 2 at their at the tanker yard. Let's check it out, roll it. Because I'm going to have to do that. I'm going to have to turn this phone around because the other side is hard to see. I'll just bring my... That's why the reason I brought all my phones today was because so Jeffrey, the train expert, or not Jeffrey, no, I am the Jeffrey, the train expert. I'm at Jeffrey's regular channel page to type and film it once. And no, in separate phones it is. Go ahead and keep the cameras rolling until the train head towards track 2. That's over there. You see the walk. That's Tom. Is either Tom or Cole? No, it might be Cole. It's Cole. I was trying to make sure. Yeah, that says, in case you're just joining us last week or yesterday's or Wednesday's trains anyway, this is Cole. He's one of the 2 brakemen at the OC&T's. The one who replacing Jack Crick on this channel. And Jack Crick's not with us anymore on this channel, on the train channel, but we at least got Tom Keys and Chris Dingman with us at least. I hope this... I'll move the phone a little bit so we can see, so we can turn face Tom and Jack, or I'm sorry, Tom and Cole. That's the red Ford Ranger behind us. Yeah, there's only like one set of tankers left of this, and then that's it. Because I don't know if I'm gonna see if I want to do any of that grain hopper work. If not, we'll be on next week for this. At least got the engine here at the end. Let's wait for this stoppage here, and then we're gonna get off so we can get back on with the final tanker train, with the final tanker trains at their yard. Oh, there's a stop right there. Yes, sorry. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next tanker train. Talk to you later.